a world-class climber, dude. Don't blame me as I get back in shape.
Where's this like meter thing? Oh, she's just getting on.
Good, Chris, come on.
Good.
Question.
How do we fix this?
I don't
What
know.
do we do? Let's brainstorm. There must be a
Come
way.
on.
That's what I'll
Tell
do.
her that we like each other.
Nice, Chris.
Yeah, we'll tell her that.
I've already told her that we tried for relationship dating right and see how it works.
Come on, dude.
Oh,
Yeah, but
She gave up.
yeah, she gave up. Now she's just like,
it's not true.
this part's weird. See that like flat rail up and right?
Far right.
Way up high. Not way out right. Just like up and right. Flat rail. It's bad, but you kind of do a good use of that. I feel like whatever you top of it down low.
You told her about my trials trying to get
Nice,
to
Chris.
Seattle.
Come on, Chris,
Maybe
shake, get it
that's
back.
where you fucked it up.
Yeah.
Oh, get in, dog.
Yeah. Like necessarily. After you been in Seattle long enough.
No, I just told
finally
you.
gave in.
I told you about that feeling.
Good,
to
Chris,
Europe,
come on.
America to Europe.
Come on, Chris.
Well, I don't know.
Good. Come on, bro.
That's it. And then a really high left foot.
Nice, Chris. Come on, dude.
Nice.
Ale, dude. Ale.
Yeah, that's it.
Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, Chris. Fight, Chris. Come on.
There you go.
Come on, Chris.
Come on.
Yes, Chris. Come on.
Now you gotta like get your.
Come on, Chris.
It's awkward.
Let's go. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris. Come on, dude. Take it. Let's go. Yes, Chris. Come on, Chris.
Take it here. Take it here, please. Back to here.
I'm with you, dude. Fight. Come on.
Deep breaths. Deep breath. Shake. Get it out.
You're fine. You're fine. It's such a high angle.
Actually, don't move. It's working.
Come on, Chris.
Get as much back as you can, bud.
Come on, Chris. Ale, dude. Ale. Come on, Chris. Yeah. Come on, Chris. Let's go!
Nice word.
Like I'm saying.
Ah, hell yeah, Chris.
GG's.
Flat. And then squeeze it, squeeze it more. Nice one. Right.